share a refreshing mango panna cotta recipe which is perfect for the summer season. This recipe is rich, smooth and velvety. It's very easy to make and you can prepare in advance for your celebrations. So definitely give it a try and let me know how it turned out. And if you enjoyed watching my video, do hit the like button, do share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. So let's get started. Ingredients which we require for mango panna cotta are: here I took 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, half cup of milk, 1/3 cup sugar, half teaspoon vanilla essence and 1 packet of gelatin. For the mango sauce, here I took 2 cups of mango puree and 2 tablespoons of sugar. First, I'll soak the gelatin. So, in 2 tablespoons of water, I'll just add 1 packet of gelatin. Give a mix. And let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. So the gelatin will bloom nicely. Dissolve it completely. I added 2 tablespoons of water more. That makes total of 4 tablespoons of water. And now I'll set it aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. I would like to share one tip here. If the gelatin is not dissolving properly, just microwave it for 15 seconds and it is good to go. Into the pan, I'll add the heavy cream. Then the milk. And at last goes the sugar. Now, on a low heat, stir until the sugar has completely dissolved. Panna cotta means cooked cream. So here we will be cooking the cream for about 5 to 6 minutes in a low flame. Sugar is dissolved completely. Now I'll switch off the flame. To this I'll add the vanilla extract or the essence. Give a mix. Now set it aside to cool slightly. To make the mango sauce, into the pan, I'll add the mango puree. To that, I'll add the sugar. Combine everything well. Cook till the sugar is dissolved nicely and it will reach a nice glossy consistency. Sugar is completely dissolved. The mango sauce or the glaze looks so nice. It looks very glossy and silky. Now I'll switch off the flame and let it cool down. So now I'll add the gelatin to the cream. So for this, I'll strain the gelatin so that just to prevent if there are any lumps. See? Now combine the gelatin well. Now to the cream mixture, I'll add half of the mango puree and leave the rest for garnishing. Mix the puree well with the cream. Pour it into an individual serving glasses. Pour it into our individual serving glasses and now set it into refrigerator for about 2 hours. By using this measurements, it's good for 3 servings. I have covered it with cling wrap. You can also use aluminium foil. Now I'll pop them into the refrigerator and see you after 2 hours. So after 2 hours, let's check onto the panna cotta. These are set nicely. Now I'll add the mango puree on the top and layer it evenly. You can decorate with chopped mangoes also. Refrigerate for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Chilled mango panna cotta is ready. After 8 hours, it is nicely set. Friends, do try this perfect dessert for your next celebration and I'm sure no one will resist. I hope you enjoyed this creamy and fruity sweet treat. And if you like my video, do hit the like button, do share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. So till then, bye.